This is the one Twitter account or X account that you want to make sure you are following for 2026. And here's why. This particular account right here, Trade the Grade, has made some amazing calls here in January 2026. Now, the year is young, but if this trend continues, guys, you're going to be missing out on some huge potential winners if you don't go to X right now and follow this account. So check it out. Let's start in all transparency on the first trading day of January. So that was January 2nd. So let's just go play by play here, the good with the bad. So GCOS, this stock right here was posted as being a potential play based on a big price target raise from an analyst. All right, so GCOS. All right, let's see. Not a whole lot here. The stock is basically down a little bit, not much. Okay, so 0 for 1. Basically a very small loss up to right now. Now, what I did post, though, is from December 31st, so cheating here a little bit, but basically almost the new year, Plug double upgrade. So let's see how Plug has performed since that double upgrade. Okay, so here we go. December 31st right here. So from 196, the stock hit a high of almost 250. That's a pretty nice move, is it not? I mean, it was like 25-30%, and the stock is still holding a bid since then. So you missed that one. What else did you miss? Okay, CRWV and INTC. This is from a week ago. Both were double upgrades. Okay, so let's take a look. CRWV, January 5th. Where's January 5th? Okay, right here. So it did a gap higher and then sort of, fade lower. But, here we are a week later, and the stock ripped higher today all the way to $90 a share. So, had some call options. If you had a call spread, you definitely are printing within just one short week of this trade being posted. Another one, INTC, was also double upgraded, notably that day, which was also posted on that particular account. So here we go, January 5th. Another one that gapped higher and faded. So what you can do on these for tradable opportunities, when they gap, just wait for them to come back more towards the previous day's closing print and then get in. So it's not a rush right at 9:30 a.m. type thing. These can be played as very cool, calm, and collected swing trade plays, which would have worked really well here on Intel. As you can see, this thing ripped on Friday when the news, Trump said something about it. I don't remember what it was, but you can see how this double upgrade preempted that, which makes you think the analyst might know something, huh? All right, and then another one, a bearish one. So if you say, hey, I'm just a bearish guy, or a gal, I want a bearish trade. Adobe right here, double downgrade, lots of room to the downside. You can see here that was posted on this particular account. And let's see, check the date one more time. Okay, January 5th again. So right here, and the stock gapped down a little bit. Did start to counter that sentiment and moved higher, but now all of a sudden it's moving lower. So there's actionable swing trades here, guys, that you're missing because you're not following this account on X. And here's a little bit of the proof that was posted on the account to try to get some eyeballs on this account. Can't blame the guy. All right, JBHT. Now, not a lot of conviction here. Dip by question mark. But let's just take a look and see what JBHT has done. This is a trucking company. Looks like it's done fairly well. Definitely not losing money on a bullish trade there. And so, guys, that's a good handful of trade ideas that were shared on this account. Trade the Grade at Matthew Menster on X. I'll put a link here in the description. Spoiler, it's me. This is my account. All right, so give me a follow, guys. And then, of course, I'd also prefer you to check out tradethegrade.com, which is basically our tool we've been working on for a long time, which now gives you the ability to trade analyst actions and filter them down into only the ones that are most likely to lead to good trade ideas. Okay, so you can see here it's January 12th, and here was all the list of actions for today. You can sort them by setup grade. Just if you want to look at A setups, boom, there you go. You weed out all the B and C setups, and now you only have A and A plus setups. So teach more about how to use this if you sign up. But for now, let's just go ahead and get you over to the X account, the Twitter account, and I'll post a link here in the description and maybe in the comments too. Thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you on the next one.